with his hands.
Hi friends, please.
Hi friends.
Subscribe.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Please subscribe.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi guys, I'm Vishnu Priya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And
And
guys, today we are on the way to Papanasam, which sounds very much unfancy, but the place is very magical. And I'll show you the location. Just a second. So guys, we are on the way to somewhere, and so this is the local uncle who is showing us the way. And you guys excited? Very much. So guys, I think something very beautiful is on the way. Something very amazing. I can see some water, and oh my goodness. Ah.
இல்ல இதுல நடந்து இப்படி வாங்க என்ன வர இப்படி வாங்கடா இருங்க இது ஈஸியா இருக்கும் பாத்து செட்டல்ல பிடிக்காதீங்க என்ன
ஓகே ஏய் grill அமைதிக்காத நெட் மேல கால் வைக்காதீங்க place over here, the hills in this side. So actually those blue hills, that is Trivandrum, Kerala, and this is Tamil Nadu. This is such a beautiful place, and this is like wheat field I'm seeing for the first time, and I'm getting late, so let's go to the next location. Guys, look at this beauty. Guys, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. This ugly. Hey, hi yaar solunga pa. Abhi hi solla.
Hi.
So guys, we reached the location, and my phone is about to die. It's on 12%, but still look at this view. Look at this view.
Hi.
So guys, we are going over there to swim. Guys, you know this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do that ooh, ee, ooh. That is a trending reel, bro. What for? Fasak. So guys, if you want to know about the location, this place is near Kutralam, and if you guys are from South India, you would have known that Kutralam. And also because of this COVID protocol, Kutralam is currently closed. The waterfalls is closed. So this is a falls in between a village. Just got here due to some recommendation because of that local uncle. So let's go and see the falls now. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think about this location, Mom?
So beautiful.
This is so beautiful, right?
Right.
So guys, we are going to do a little bit of swimming, and also it's super hot. It's super sunny. So yeah, the view gets better and better. And look at this. Look at this. There are falls. If you can hear the voice of the water, there is a river over there under these rocks. So guys, we are going on this very kind of scary pathway because the water over here is like 30 feet down and deep, and look at it. It gets better and better as we reach closer. So let's go and swim. By the way, I don't know swimming. I'll probably learn today. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we reached the falls finally, and this is the waterfalls. And
Actually, this is not a falls.
yeah, this is
backwater.
kind of backwater. Yeah, that falls over there, so it is a falls. And guys, that is my family, and look at this water.
Water is pretty much good compared to backwater.
Going for a swim. I'll continue the vlog at the end. Guys, as this is backwater, there are like so many fishes. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but there are so many fishes and it's so scary. See, can you see the fishes? Yeah, so these are the fishes. Guys, this is so fast. So guys, now let's move from here and okay. So guys, now let's go to some other place. Go on. Ow! So guys, we are going to catch some fishes, small fishes.
Hey,
So guys, we are going to catch some fish, and this is the food. அப்படியே போட்டுருவா மேலே இருக்க எப்படி சாப்பிட வரும்? You people don't know fishing, ra. So guys, this is our fisherman who is worst in fishing. Very worst. I'll link his Instagram ID in the description below. If you don't want to catch fishes, then ping him. Because there are so many fishes and he is not even able to catch one. Now he is trying with his hands.
big fish.
There is a stone. Shit. Oh, look at this. I can't tell you the force of the water, but look at it. It's amazing. There are so many fishes in the water. One is right here. I'll show you. See this. So guys, the day is over and we are going home, and I am a bit sad, but still the temperature, it's too hot in here, so let's go. The other side of this place, I should probably show you that as well. See. Don't do that. If you go to some place specifically like this place like this which nobody cleans, don't do this garbage thing here. Don't throw your waste